Okay, good morning, YouTubers. And today at the Audubon, we've got another one here that we're gonna replace the internals. This is a '06 Porsche Cayenne with a bad motor, and I'm just gonna crank it up for here for a minute so you can hear how it runs. Real bad. Real bad. It has a real loud ticking in it. I don't know if you can hear that real loud ticking in it. We're gonna actually replace this motor. It's a 4.5 V8. We're gonna replace it with this guy right here. Customer brought it in, said it's good. I don't know where they got it, but we're gonna replace it with this motor here. This is definitely gonna be a part 2 video, because I think we're gonna have to drop the subframe on this one just to get it in. So guys, stay tuned for the follow-up video on this one. It's going to be very, very interesting. Again, Porsche Cayenne 4.5 liter motor V8. It's going to be an engine swap, and our target is to get this done within the next 72 hours. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to try our best to pull 72 hours out of it. And here is the two main men coming in that's gonna do the swap right now as we speak. So stay tuned, guys. Catch you on part 2. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. And I'll catch you on the next video.